Hey guys, this is Hal with TrueConnect, and I'd like to show you guys a video on how to join TCD. Now, first of all, if you're here watching this video, then you probably received a link from either me or one of the other TCD leaders. Now, the first thing I would do is scroll down here and watch these two videos. Watch the left one first, then watch the right one. When you're done, you got to make a decision. Is this business right for you? If it's not, no harm, no foul. Good luck to you. But if it does make sense for you, then this is what I would do next. Click the join button. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to join under this person? This person is the person that sent you the link. Put OK. Fill out your information. All that good stuff and submit. At which point, you will receive an email from us with the temporary password, all that stuff. Go back in there, change your password, and now you've created your TrueConnect Direct login. Perfect. So now, how do you get to the TrueConnect Direct TCD zone or back office? Well, simple. Click this button, type in your username and your password. And now you're in. So this is very, very important because this is where all the magic happens. It tells you how many people are on each level, tells you how many activations you have, it tells you how close you are to your next promotion, right? And there's a bunch of tools over here. So let's click through. You can see how to do a SIM card activation. You know, you can take some additional training on prepaid. You can look at the reports. There's additional resources on how you get paid, what current promotions are happening right now. But the first thing I want you guys to do is you need to take the training for each state. Okay? So click this training button. Click this. Remember the password is TrueConnect123. Alright? Select the state that you live in, or that you wish to do business in. From here, you're going to fill out your information, and it's going to take you to a video training. Make sure you don't skip 1 second. Make sure you're watching the whole video, and then you're going to need to do a quiz. Once you've completed your quiz, well, you got to pass it. You got to get over 80%. Once you've completed that, our team is going to take a look at that. We're going to see it, and we're going to send you out another link. This is very important. Because Lifeline is highly, highly regulated, you will need to do a background check. Okay? I'm going to show you what that email looks like. You're going to get an email from Veritable Screening. You're going to need to follow the directions, click on the link. You're going to fill it out with your information. And when you're done, you're going to have to wait a few days. If you've moved around a lot to different counties, different states, it might take a little bit longer, okay? But once it goes through, usually takes a few days, then you will receive your credentials to do business with TrueConnect. All right? All right, guys. Thank you.